Okay, another tip, only another small tip. On your screen, what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put it on the screen recorder. I find that so helpful for you guys. Just going to move it over there a minute. Right, at the bottom right hand side, where it's got the auto, what I have noticed, I don't know why, but that EV sometimes changes. Let's just tap on that EV. Do it again. Now, tonight when I come out, I noticed the EV for some reason was like 2.3, which is pretty dark, and I don't know why it done that. And all I can think of, sometimes when you touch this screen, it's so sensitive. So anyway, what I've done, I put the EV back to 0.0, which is normal. So just remember that, guys. So, just in case you think there's something going on with a camera, or you're facing the sun, somebody told me off about that. Don't fly your drone towards the sun. I've been doing that for years. But anyway, just to remind you guys, that's about that. Now it's all on auto. I'll put it back to pro, back to auto. So that's another quick tip. Just check your camera settings every now and again, just in case you think something's going on. So I hope you found that useful. Catch you again on another Sean the Drone tip.